I don't see Tony here. Maybe Tony will log in a couple of minutes. Let's go to the web. Sorry, Manish, documents, web, react project. So here I can see
Hello?
learn. Hello, what happened? Okay, so I can see the project folder learn and projects. So let's go to the learn folder and I see Kerry, DJ, Kate, Many, Tamil, Tony. So remember, I will be creating the folders and files inside the many folder. Okay, and where will you create your folders? Where will you create
In
your
Learn?
folders? In
On the
your
on our own folder, right?
right, right.
Hello?
Hello, what happened? Hello, Kate, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello,
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kate, can you hear me?
Looks like she's in my mic. I mean mute or something.
Everybody, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Manny.
Okay, okay. So I think her mic is not working, right?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, let me see. Tony, are you there?
Hello?
Hello, Tony. Hi, how are you?
Good. A little bit of a problem there.
Okay. So did you understood everything what I told yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's start our React first project.
Okay.
So
Manny, I have a question. Like you have this turquoise for Windows, right? Is there anything for Mac also, like this kind of UI application for Git?
in the Mac, there are different UI application, but I never used anyone in the Mac. When I use Mac, I always do with the command line.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, maybe you can check it, but I don't know if they are very good like Tortoise.
Uh,
So I never used any user interface in the Mac. I just go command line, and command line there are 3 or 4 commands you have to remember. That
no.
it's very
Okay.
easy also in the
That's fine. Yeah, just wondering.
right. So
Okay.
before we start the React project, everyone has to go into the command line and into their folder. So I will go to many folder and Kate will go to the Kate folder. So by mistake, you should not go into my folder or any other user's folder because otherwise you are, disturbing their code. You only go to your code and your folder, and you have to do things on that folder only. So everybody now open the command line and at least go to your project folder, and inside that project folder, go to your folder, and then we will start React first project. So let's say I will go to cd many. So now everyone should be in their folder in your computer.
Yes.
And when you are done, just let me say yes, then I will move further.
Yes. I'm done.
Okay. Kate, are you
Do
done?
you list it?
Pardon?
Do you list to see what folders are
If in the Mac you have to use ls in the because this is my extra terminal PowerShell which works like a Mac kind of thing in the Windows, and but in the Windows you have to use dir,
oh, they are.
Yeah.
and then you have to do cd space wherever you want to go. So I'm inside the many folder. You should be inside your folder. Now I will move further. I assume everybody is inside their folder. Now we will start our first project in the React, and to start with the first project in the React, we will run one command. And yesterday everybody installed create React app before I stopped my lecture. So we will run that create React app. So let me run create React app. Let me see if we can get version. I will put -v. So I'm not getting any version. So there will be no version kind of thing. I think let's try with minus version to see if we have that kind of, yeah. So everybody try to run create React app space minus version to see what version you have. I have 1.3.3. It may be old, and since you installed yesterday, you may have new version. So just let me know what version you have.
1.40.
1.40. Okay. Put it in the chat if you can. Okay, Tamil 1.40. Kate, what is your version?
Uh,
Yeah, mine also 1.40.
Okay, maybe yesterday, those who installed yesterday, they got 1.40. Maybe I should also update it to get the 1.40.
friend
And
friend.
Tony, you were Tony or DJ? Just now, who told 1.40?
DJ?
DJ. Okay, your voice, both people's voice are same, so I cannot
Oh, okay.
recognize which one is DJ, which one is Tony. Okay, Carrie, what is your version? Are you in the particular folder?
I'm trying to get to the folder.
Okay, so
One
just do it.
I am 1.33, but
Because
I'm not in a specific folder. Just
yeah, you can use anywhere. Yeah, you can use this create React
okay,
app version anywhere.
anywhere.
Yeah, but go to that folder because you have to start with that folder. Try to go to the folder quickly.
Sure.
Okay, let's move now.
Wait, create dash react dash
App
app.
space
Mhm.
minus version.
Oh, minus.
Yes, minus
Oh,
version. Okay. Now, if we want to install some new project, we have to say create dash react dash app. I will name my first project as hello world. So I will type hello world and I'll press enter. Once I press enter, you will see a lot of processes going on and it will try to install the hello world project in my directory. So now everybody do the same thing. Just write create dash react dash app space hello world in your folder, and so that you can see some processes going on. So it will try to install the React project in your directory. And once it is done, let me know it's done. So you have to type done, DONE, in the chat once it is done. Right now my thing is working, so I will not type done. Once my process will be done, I will type done in the chat so that I know that everybody has completed the creation process.
Is it necessary to put the hello world?
You can put anything, but I want you to create hello world as a first project. But if you have already hello world,
Oh, is it the project name?
yeah.
Okay.
So this is the project name, hello world. Okay, let me know who is done. I am done.
Manny, can you scroll a little bit up, like I'm lost in that, the command.
Okay, I will go up. Or I'll put it in the chat. Create React dash app hello world. If anyone has problem, I can come to your computer and fix it. But first you try to do it yourself. And if you cannot fix it, then I will come. So this is all installed. Yeah, so this is the one I I put, where is that one? Let me see. Yeah, I created this one. Create React app hello world.
Yes, and it's almost done.
Okay. So no one has completed yet? I need to see done in the chat.
I'm
It's
still working.
still cranking away.
Okay, yeah, it takes sometimes time.
Yes.
Depending upon computer speed, it takes more time or less time, internet speed and all things play into the role. Okay.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So DJ is done. Let's see who else will be done. Okay, two done. Tamil done, DJ done. Waiting for Carrie, Kate, and Tony.
Hello.
Yeah. Who is this?
Hi, Manish. I was unable to connect through my computer, so joined in phone.
Okay. Okay. Is it done? Everybody or waiting?
Still waiting. It looks
Okay.
like it's getting close.
Okay. So by
80%.
the time it's done, I'll tell you some other thing. So let it go and just pay attention here because it will take time and we will just finish some theory. And this is so once we are done, you will see the few lines of the code are there coming here. One is called npm start, one is called npm run build, npm test, npm run eject. So, and how to use this npm things, we have to go to our folder. Since I created first project as hello world, so I have to go inside the folder hello world and I have to run the npm start. So whenever you are developing, that is whenever you are in the development mode, you are developing and it's not for production, it's only for your development, you will run the npm start. This npm start will start the development server. It has nothing to do with the production code. Production code will be little different. Whenever you want to push to the live website, then you will not run npm start at that time. This npm start is only to do the development work. When you are completed with your project, then you are ready to push it to the production. So before you push to production, you have to run this npm run build. So this run build will minimize all your JavaScript in one file and it will create one build folder. That build folder you have to upload it on the server. So now if I want to, I will open this readme. So there is two commands. One is called npm start and then is another one is npm run build. So this npm start to do all your development work. So whenever you are developing, you have to use the npm start and do your development. Once you are satisfied with your development, you say, okay, I'm done, everything is working fine. Then you will run this command npm run build. This will create one build folder, will be created after you run this one. And this build folder, you have to push this build folder to the production. How to push to the production, that we will see once we are done. Then you need a server for it and you need a lot of things on it. So we will see that later on when we reach to that point. So these are the two commands which we will use in our application. So now let's go to my folder. So I have to go to cd hello world. So let's go to the cd hello world because I created that folder. I think spelling is wrong. I need to run these two commands. Oh, these two commands, hello world. So I will say cd hello world and then I will run the command called as npm start. Once I say npm start, it will open it in the browser and see, once I run npm start, you will see a browser window is opened automatically with the URL localhost 3000. And here you see some of the default code is coming on the screen. Welcome to React. To get started, edit source app.js and save to reload. So this is something you should get. Let me know once you are done with the npm. Once you are done with the first process of installation, then you should go inside the folder. And after you go inside the folder, you run the npm start. And after you run the npm start, you should see this localhost and you should see this text. Let me know if you are able to see this one or not. So once you are able to see this one, just click done.
My
Just
my
click-
pr- my
Yeah.
My install failed.
Install failed. So I need to see. You are Tony or DJ?
Tony.
Tony. Okay. Let's see.
Well, I closed the command window and put it back up, so it's the error's gone.
Okay.
But it,
You could try again. Otherwise, then let me see what is the problem you are getting. Okay. Just go to the command line and run it again. Let me see.
what was the command?
So first you have to go inside your folder. So go to cd learn learn. Go inside your folder. Yes. Now run the create create dash -sign app space, maybe run hello world 2. Make it 2. Let me see, because you might have created hello world initially, so it may not work with that. Yeah, it's okay. Enter it. So creating a React app in this folder. Let's see now.
It went quite a ways through, and then right at the end, it was saying finalizing, and it came up with errors message, and deleted everything.
Okay.
Manny, while we're waiting, was Hello World supposed to be in the Learn folder? Because mine's right at the same level.
No, it should be in your folder, carry folder.
In Learn Carry?
In the carry folder, in the learn carry folder.
Uh-oh. If right now it's just on the same level as Learn and Projects.
So, so you have not gone inside your folder and run the create react app. You have to run the create react app when you are inside your folder.
Okay.
So now you can copy it and put it in your folder.
Oh, can I just
Or-
move it through the desktop?
Yeah, you can move it, cut it and paste it there. Cut it. Otherwise, if you copy it, you will have 2 copies. Okay, Kate done, Tamil done, DJ, are you done?
Um, yeah, could you show me the command again, please? Like I was working on other computers, so I just missed it. Like right
Can I
now,
do that?
yeah,
Is it okay?
yes,
Create
yes, that would be good. Yeah,
app hello world.
because yeah, I'm using 2 computer and one doesn't have this React installed, so that's
Right.
yeah.
And these are the initial steps I want everyone should understand, because if it does not work, then you won't be able to work in the big project. So this basics should work.
Oh, actually, Hello World, yeah, it's already completed. That one is completed. I'm asking to open the browser to
Okay,
start the
browser.
browser.
You have to go to cd hello world. If you're,
Yes, I'm inside the Hello World.
then you have to say npm start.
Oh, npm start. Okay. Starting this development. Yeah, it worked. Okay,
Okay.
cool.
Let's see what is the
Manny?
problem. Yeah.
When I'm trying to move Hello World, it's saying that it can't because it's open in another place.
So maybe you close your editor, it might be open there, or if it's a browser open, is it browser open? You run npm start or no?
Yes, I ran npm start, but I just closed it, the browser, but
Close
I'm
the
still having the
browser
same
and
problem.
close the editor. Maybe editor might have
Okay.
that file reference. So close the editor and then try to move it.
Okay.
And then still if doesn't work, then you run create react app again. But this time, don't commit that one, the one which is in the top level. You have to commit only in the learn folder, and inside the learn folder, whatever you created in your folder.
That worked when I closed the editor.
Okay. So it should be in the learn folder, inside learn carry folder, it should be there. Hello world should be there. And next time when you run the command line, you should go first in that folder, in your folder, then you run the command.
Okay.
I'm on a different internet today, so it just must be really slow.
Right, right. Maybe that's the reason it breaks. What do you think? Is that the reason?
Could be.
Okay.
Manny, how to rename the folder name in Git? I mistakenly typed wrong spelling.
Okay, for hello world.
Yes.
So just go outside that folder and you're in the Mac, right?
Yes.
You can go to the file manager. You can rename it whatever you want,
Oh,
or
okay.
you can command line. You can use move mv command to rename it.
Oh, okay. Right. I thought I had to do it through this command line. Yeah, I'll go with the browser.
I can come once this Tony is done. I can come and help you.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, no, it takes time. It depends. It internet connection and your computer speed. It has all sorts, so all kinds of things are required. So it may take time. And I don't want to lose the window. Maybe I want to see how the error is coming, what the error is coming. So next time, whenever anyone gets error, just hold there. Don't try to close the window so I can see what error you're getting.
Yeah, it's renamed. It's done. Thank you.
Yeah, then now you have to go again to that folder and run the npm start, and will open in the browser.
Sorry. Okay.
Come on.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's,
Right. Now it starts cranking away, and then this is where the error happened.
okay, maybe now it's going good, right?
So many. Every time we build this page, it takes this long, like, or just for the first time.
So whenever you do the new project, it will take this time. But
Oh,
once this project is done, now next time this is there, all the files are there locally, so you won't get
oh, so it has to load all the files.
right. So if we build another project, then
Mhm.
it will take again that much time.
Okay.
So let me see. So you have to give presenter role. You have to take presenter role.
Oh, actually, I'm done, Manny.
Okay, you're done.
I'm,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So now I will explain you what happened when the create react app happens. Just a little bit basics kind of thing. So when I did the create react app in my hello world, you will see these are the folders and files are created in my local. So if you see this node modules has many folders, maybe hundreds or thousands of the folders are there. So many folders are there in the node modules. And that is the reason it is taking so much time. If you delete by mistake this node module folder, then you have to run one command to get the node modules folder back, and that command is called npm install. This will bring back the node modules folder for you to delete by mistake. And this creation of node modules takes so much time. So if you delete by mistake the node modules folder, then you have to do npm install, and then it will take so much time to add all these folders and files. This node modules does not go to production. This is only for local development. And this is the node modules folder where all the React and many other things are installed for you, so you can take use of those functionalities in your application. There is another folder called as public created, and it consists of the index.html, that is the main page of your application. It also consists of the source folder. All your React kind of code will go inside this source folder. You cannot put any React code outside this source folder. So all the code related to the React application will go inside the source folder. So right now, by default, these are the folders given by the React application as a start, as a in starting application. So when you are able to see this React, welcome to React, you are able to see because you have this already created files from the React. So because of these files, you are able to see this page. So when we build the React application, we will build everything in the source folder, and something we will put it in the public folder. We will never touch the node modules folder. Node modules folder will be internally taken by the React application, and it will do its work whenever it's required. So we can only touch the public folder and the source folder. We will not touch the node modules folder. We may occasionally touch package.json file, and I will tell you what exactly we will do in the package.json. That I will do later on when we will touch it. So right now this is the folder structure in our React application. So now we will change this. The default layout which is coming here. Right now it's saying welcome to React with
Hey,
some logo. Yeah.
the it finished the installation and you logged off, but then when I run npm start, it gets more errors.
Yeah, because you have to go inside the hello world folder. So you have to do cd and go to hello world 2 because you install hello world 2 now. So do cd hello world 2 and then you have to run npm start.
Gotcha.
So we have to go inside the folder, new project folder, and then you have to run npm start. So today we will do a little bit exercise. We will do, instead of this welcome to React, which you are able to see on the screen, we will change it to hello world and see if it is working. So right now it's saying welcome to React. I will change it to hello world. So let's open the file. If I go to the source folder, and I will go to the app.js. In the app.js, I am able to see this welcome to React code. So instead of this welcome to React, just delete this welcome to React and change it with hello world. This is in the app.js file. Just open it and change welcome to React to hello world and save it. Once you will save it, the page will automatically reload and it will show the different text called as hello world. So now you do the same thing which I did and let me know you're able to change it or not.
Yeah, it's done.
Working. So you're done. Let's see other people who is Kate, Carrie, do it and let me know.
It's in the hello world, and then it's source, SRC.
Right. Inside source app.js. Are you able to open it? You have to go into hello world 2 because you installed in hello world 2. Everybody will go into hello world. Who is not able to do?
It's a app.js file.
Right. Right.
So, Manny, so all the work that we do is app.js. Is that what it is, or there will be anything?
App.js is first component to start with, and then we will be building many components on top of it.
So there won't be any HTML pages, just all the JS files. Is that right?
We will be writing our code in JS file, all in JS file, and it will automatically display it in the HTML at the runtime. So React is something called as virtual DOM. So we build this div tag, but this div tag is in the air. It is not in the HTML page. In the HTML page, React will automatically push this div tag into the HTML page on the runtime.
Mhm.
So it's called a virtual div. Virtual div means we are not building the div in the real sense. We are putting in the JavaScript, which
Okay,
at the runtime will be displayed to the user.
I see. Okay, okay, great.
Manny, are we going to be setting up Dreamweaver to have all the files displayed? Or,
You can set it up. I already set it up. If you don't remember, I will help you, but try to set it up
okay.
because I cannot work without creating the project so that I can see all the files and folder in my directory. Everybody change the text to hello world. Are you able to see it?
Changed it, but I haven't been able to see it yet.
Okay. You're Tony, right? Let me see. I want to see it in your computer. Okay, okay. You have to access this. Allow this. The page. Where was that one? The one which I was seeing. Right now, I was able to see some page, right? Permission. Where is that permission page? Uh, Tony, I was able to see some permission thing. You have to give permission.
Thought I did.
Yeah, you did permission. Give permission.
Yeah.
Okay. So give me the mouse control. Let me see. Okay, let me minimize it. Starting the development server. Okay, now it started. Now you will be able to see it. So now you're able to see this hello world here.
Yeah, it's just really this
Yeah, it's
computer's
little
really
slow.
slow today.
Yeah, it's little slow.
Okay, I'll use a different computer next time.
Yeah, next time try to take, or even if it's slow, it's okay if you can wait till the whole thing is done. We were able to complete this Hello World project today. We will work more tomorrow, day after tomorrow, every day. So since we completed this project, our job is to commit the files and folder in our GitHub. So what I will do, I will go to my main root folder. I will right click it and I will say git commit. Once I say git commit, you will see that all the new files are here in the not version files. So I will select all from here. So now all will be selected. You will see node modules folder is not there because node modules folder is automatically rejected in this because of some settings given by the React people. And we don't want to commit node modules folder because node module folder is goes to 1 GB, 2 GB in size, and we should not commit that folder anyhow in our GitHub. And because of that, React people have given some settings, and because of those settings, I am not able to see the node modules folder here in this list of files. Now I will put some comment my hello world project and I will commit it. I click the all so that I can select all the files and I will say commit. Once I say commit, I will say push and I will push it. So now everybody do the push from your application. I will go to the DJ machine to see how he is doing.
Manny, yeah, like I said, yeah, right now I'm using two computers. Let me log in. Join me in other
Okay. So
computer,
what
right?
happened to maybe now I don't have too much time kind of thing. So maybe if you cannot do that, tomorrow I will first come in your computer and I will show you if you are not able to do command line because in command line it's a little difficult. So I will show you the steps how to do that. Otherwise, if you remember yesterday's step, you can do that. But if you forgot, I will show you tomorrow how to do that, how to commit it.
Yeah, actually,
So you have to run the following commands. I will give you in the chat. So when you go to your folder, what is project folder, you have to say git status. This will show you all the files. Then you have to say git add and you put dot sign. Hello DJ, are you there?
yes, yeah, I'm now I can you can access my computer. I just
Okay, let me access now.
exit here and accept.
Everybody commit so that I can
See
see.
my screen.
Right. Go to your command prompt. Let's
Uh,
commit. Command prompt terminal. Go to terminal.
turn on.
Go to your terminal. Hello, DJ. DJ, are you there? DJ, where are you? I'm not able to hear you. DJ, have you muted yourself or what?
Hey,
DJ,
Manish, Tamil here.
yeah,
So after the commit, still need to do a git pull, and then I have to do a git push, or
yeah. You cannot do git push before you pull it. So you have to do git commit and then you have to say git pull and then git push.
okay, I can go ahead and do that right away, right?
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe DJ, I'll help you tomorrow.
Hey, Manny,
Yeah.
do we do the git commit through the command line or on the folder?
You have to go to this folder, right click it and say git commit.
Okay. So git commit. Select them all. Okay, so then you commit, and then you have to pull before you push?
Yes.
Friends. This call is being recorded.
Hello, DJ.
Yes. Yeah, I tried
Yeah.
using other computer, but it's not working, so I just logged in back.
Okay. Can I come your computer or you're done?
Um, so, but this computer, it doesn't have React, so you can.
Started two mic from the two computer. That may be the reason was voice is coming, echo is coming. Okay, so everybody try to commit it, and I will check it if you have committed it properly, and we will do further tomorrow. Is that okay?